welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video we are talking Dtf versus sublimation, the pros and cons to it, which one I like better and things like that. But we are going to be putting some Dtf on a tote bag. Now this is a make market tote bag that I got from Michael's, which is 100% polyester. So you would be able to sublimate this. However, I'm going to put Dtf on it. I'm basically going to be using this image here. It is a baseball season, so I'm making some baseball gear for myself, but this is the image. I know you can't see, it's kind of far away, but yeah, we are talking Dtf today, and we're gonna go ahead and put some on a tote bag here. Now the Dtf products that I will be using today, I don't know where they are. Give me 1 second. Okay, here it is. So today we're going to be using, or I do want to start off by saying thank you to Yamation for sending me these products. But today I'm going to be using the thicker Dtf film, which is, this one is by Yamation, and it's 100U thick. And it's basically the exact same as all of the other film that the Yamation film that I've been using. The only difference is that this one is way thicker, almost like cardstock. And this helps the film be able to go through the printer easier. I know a lot of people, especially when you're doing the sublimation hack, I know a lot of people are having issues with the film going through their printer because it doesn't read it, or it doesn't recognize it, or it doesn't catch it. So this, I haven't used it in my sublimation printer as of yet for the hack, but I have used it in my Dtf printer and I have no issues with it going through. Like I said, it is way thicker, almost like cardstock. I don't know if you, I know you guys can't see it, but can you hear how thick it is and kind of see how thick it is? I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But I'm also going to be using the medium white powder from Yamation as well. All of my products will be linked in the description box below. I'm not sure if I have a coupon code, but if I do, it will also be linked in the description box below. So definitely make sure you check that out for all the materials. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's projects.
Alright guys, we are going to start off by printing in our Dtf printer right now. This is not a sublimation hack, so a lot of people, for whatever reason, keep coming on my videos and saying, how are you getting the white sublimation ink? This is not a hack. This is real Dtf. When it's white on the back, that means that it's real Dtf, and your real Dtf needs to be white, not see-through at all. It should be completely white on the back. Once it's done printing, we're going to go ahead and put our adhesion powder on it. And you do want to be generous. Don't be shy with it. Just go ahead and get it on there. Yes, you should be using gloves. Yes, you should be using a mask. I like to live life on the wild side. So, I mean, you know, do what you want. You're going to tap off the excess, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to cure this in our oven. I do it for 200 seconds at 100 degrees Celsius, and it should be like jelly on the back of it once it's done. But this is the bag I'm going to be using, you guys. When I opened up the bag and realized how big it was, I was kind of disappointed because I didn't realize it was going to be this wide. But that's okay. So I may just add some more stuff to it. But I'm going to continue on with the press. So what I'm doing now is I'm just finding kind of the middle of the bag. I'm going to go ahead and lint roll. This is polyester. If you've ever worked with it at high temperatures before, you know if you don't lint roll it, you get those little blue lint looking things. We don't want that, so make sure you lint roll it. And then here is my image, and it is ready, so we're going to go ahead and press it. Just gonna line it up on the bag, and then we're gonna press this at 325 degrees for 15 seconds. You do want it to completely cool, and then you can go ahead and peel the film off, and it should come off nice and easily. And then we're gonna press it a second time with some parchment paper. You can use Teflon paper, whatever you have on hand is fine. And then this is the look after our final press, or second press.
All right, guys, so we're all done pressing here. Now, I had no idea this bag was as big as it was. It's long, so I may add some more stuff to it because I had just printed out this little image here. But yeah, this bag is definitely bigger than I thought it was. But this is our final result with my bag and my shirts. And I just want to show you guys how, you know, oh, I got henna on my hand. I was out of town in Cancun, but that's what that is. I just want to show you guys how it really just adheres to the shirt. Okay, some people ask, like, can you scratch it off? Can you rub it off? As long as you press it properly, I mean, it kind of just adheres to the shirt literally like sublimation would. Okay, I absolutely love DTF. Now, why do I love DTF? Because while you can press this with sublimation on the shirt as well as DTF, the difference for me is that there's more versatility. So yeah, you can do this with sublimation, but like this shirt is cotton. So this bag is 100% polyester and could have been sublimated, but this shirt is cotton. It's 100% cotton. So if I wanted to make a matching shirt, I would have had to use polyester. So you definitely just get a little bit more versatility as well as the color. I can put this on red, like a dark red or a burgundy. I can put it on black. I can put it on basically whatever I want, and that's why I love DTF. You can put it on whatever color you want. You can put it on whatever material you want, and you can put it on it was another one. It was just the third one I said, and I can't remember. You can put it on whatever color, whatever material. Oh, and there's no weeding. You don't have to weed. So you could also do this with printable vinyl, but with that you have to weed. And then you see how you got all these little specks here. That would have just been a hassle trying to weed that with printable vinyl. DTF for me is just easier. The only issue I'm having with DTF is that my printer is too small. That's the only issue I'm having. But yeah, I absolutely love DTF. The thicker film, I will say, when you're peeling it away, after you've pressed it, using the thicker film is also, I like the thicker film over the thinner film as well. All right, so those are my pros. As of right now, I don't have any cons, you guys. I really don't. My DTF printer, I mean, the maintenance with it, it's really not bad. For the products that you get from it, the DTF printer is, the maintenance for it is manageable. Okay, but yeah, those are my pros, my one con, and that's really all I have for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. Any video ideas you'd like me to do, drop those down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.